So how have your last couple of weeks of summer been going? Or if you're in school, how has that been going? Tell me down below in the comments. I am still on summer break, so I was just visiting my grandparents, and that's why I didn't make a video. But my Papa and Gigi are super fun to hang around, so that was pretty cool. So this is going to be my last back to school video because pretty much everyone's back to school except me. But I'm not going to rub it in because that would be mean. Plus, I actually like school, so if you're a teacher, I don't know why you'd be watching this, but I like school, don't worry. So today, I'm going to show you 3 ways how to beautify boring notebooks. Let's get started. First, you'll need fake flowers, a hot glue gun, and glue if you don't have any in your glue gun. Paper. This is graphic paper, but I don't know, decorative paper, or just cardboard paper. 3 boring notebooks. They can be spiral if you want to, but these are composition notebooks. Faux fur and glue, regular glue. So for the first notebook, which will be a faux fur notebook, glue the fur onto your notebook and then cut the excess. So notebook number 1 is done. It's bright and pretty and it feels super soft, so yeah, and it's super cute. Moving on to notebook number 2, which is the flower notebook. So cover your notebook with a piece of paper, then hot glue your flowers on. I'm going to take the plastic part off because it will be easier to glue on. So this is notebook number 2, flowery. And now to notebook number 3, the paper notebook. Start by covering your notebook with your patterned paper. Now we're going to make a pocket. So get your solid piece of paper, line it up with the corner of your notebook, and cut it diagonally. So this is the 3rd notebook made out of paper, or the cover is made out of paper, which again is super cute, and it has a pocket, best of all, so you can put your notes or whatever you want to in there, so you don't lose it. So, yeah. That's it for my 3 notebook ideas. I'm holding them weird, I know. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. And they will be jealous by your amazing looking notebooks. That's it. Bye.